Hey programmers, in this video I'm going to show you how a short Python script can increase the number of profile views on GitHub. It's completely free by using 5 lines of Python code. So if you want to show off your GitHub profile view to your friends, stay with me until the end of this video. Alright, it's my GitHub profile view. Currently I have almost 1,000 views. Guys, these are not fakes, okay? But we have two problems. The first one, I mean, it's not a problem, but I'm gonna show you from scratch, okay? Because I encountered some errors and issues, but now it's currently 66, as you can see, and each time that I refresh, it increases by 1. 67, and now gonna be 68. So first I thought that it's gonna be a simple GET request, okay, to this profile view badge. I mean, because since we reload, it increases by 1. So let me open my VS Code. I'm gonna import request library. Okay, it's gonna be my, for example, GitHub URL. Why not? And perfect. Ouch. Okay. Yeah. Crazy. Let me remove that. And now, what is this Copilot? It's really annoying. I don't need that. Let me just code completion. I remove the code completion. I hope it works. Okay, so it's gonna be our GitHub URL. What we want? Number of views. Okay, number of views that we want to generate. It's gonna be really crazy and handy. For example, 5. Why not? Because it's not a server. Okay, I cannot generate many fake views because I need my system. Although it goes to background, but anyway, number of views 5. And what we just need to do for I in range number of views, we just need to say that response, although we don't need the response itself, but I'm gonna just check the status code. Response is equal to requests dot get to our GitHub URL. That's it. And I'm gonna say that if response dot status code is equal to 200, it means that it's successful. I want you to just say that print something like I plus 1 because it starts from the 0. Print I don't know, maybe, yeah, I plus 1. I'm gonna use fstring. I'm just it's all for showing some information on terminal. For example, I plus 1, for example 2 views have been generated. 2 views, for example, have been generated so far. Why not? And else, okay, if you encounter error, guys, if you encounter an error, it means that your GitHub account has been blocked, okay? But it don't play with GitHub at all, and it just for educational purposes. But don't worry about that. You won't encounter blocked on anything like that, okay? And otherwise, I'm gonna just say that print failed at, once again, I plus 1, and it's gonna be fstring failed at attempts. Nice. And let's break the loop. For example, if you want to generate something like, I don't know, 10,000 or more, And let me open a terminal to give it a try. It's funny and crazy. uh let me check everything once again. Request get okay. Python and bots.py. It should generate 5 GitHub views for I in range. Okay, let me check. One view have, 2 view have been generated. Okay, just some spelling problems. So let's see. 69, it should be something like 71. Okay, and after, because when we reload it gives us new more. It should be 72. I don't know, let's give it a try. And it became just 70. I mean, not 71. Okay, I told it it had to become something like 75. Okay, after running this script. Let me run this again. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, but what is the problem? 1 2 3 4 and 5. What is the problem, guys? It should be, for now, for example, it should become something like 75, but it becomes 71. It doesn't work. Okay, but when we reload this page, it works. And I was really, I mean, I got disappointed first time, but then I tried playing with this badge, and I thought it has a URL as a web scraper, you know, copy link address. Then I opened it somewhere else. Then I found that it is the main URL. Okay, and as you can see, I have some credentials for this camo GitHub user content. I don't know what it is, but I found that it is the main URL that we need. So let's grab it and let's replace it here. Let me save it, and let me, for example, generate 10 more profile view. And for now, I mean, so far it has, I mean, it is 77. Let me just make it better. Okay, 79. Okay, I'm gonna run the bot, then add 10 fake views, and then when we want to reload, it gives us one more. Okay, and it should become 10,090. Okay, so let's run our script. Okay, one views have been generated so far. 3 views. Yeah, I need 10. Okay, just consider you can use async programming and threading. It's gonna be really crazy. All right, let's give it a try. 79, it should become 90. Crazy. Just consider your friend. I mean, you can show off it. Okay, and that's it. And I will put this tiny Python script on my GitHub. And don't forget to, I'm a web scraper, and I have a crazy web scraping course for beginners on my personal website, codematv.com. And if you learned something from this video and you are interested in these stuff, just let me know in comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys.